what is the difference between the data class and the class in the Kotlin. So I defined one data class person A and a class person B. So this is my data class and this is my normal class. If I print the value, the data class prints the value, but the normal class will print the reference. So we can check by running the code. You can see here I am getting the value. So this is from the data class and this is the reference. Now let's take another example. So here is one more data class, but now I am defining one more member inside the body, not in the primary constructor. So data class only works with the parameter defined in the primary constructor, not with the body. So let's check what is the value of this person C. So you can see, even if I defining the age of the person, it is not printing the age of the person, because the data class works only with the primary constructor, not with the body. Now let's check another example. Now we're going to check the equality between the data class and the normal class. So this is my two data class having the same value, but the reference are different, and here also the normal class having different reference but the same value. Now if we are going to run this application, the data class will going to return you true. It will tell you this both objects are same because it works with the value. The data class equality works with the value, but if you are comparing for the normal class, it will comparing through reference. Because the reference are not same, so it will always give you false. Now jump to the next example. Now again, this is my data class having the name John, but I am changing the age. So you can see the by default age is 24. For the person C, the age is 24. For the new person, now I am changing the age. Let's check if both the objects are same or not. So it will be same, because the data class works only with the primary constructor. So in the primary constructor, all the values are same, so it ignoring the value inside the body. So that's why it is returning you true. So this is another example. So I am taking two data class, defining one data class under another data class, So I am defining the person and the person data class holding another data class, that is address. Person is having name, gender. I have defined the age inside the body and having the address. Suppose that is person John, gender is male, and the address is Raipur, house number 2, and I am defining his age 34. By using data class, they have given one function copy. So by calling this, you can copy whole of this value. If I need to change the name, I can change the name to Robin. So my new object is copy of person. If I am going to print this value, let's check what it will going to print. You can see the name is changed, the genders get copied, address is also get copied, but the age is not get copied. Again, data class working with only the primary constructor, not with the body. So here you can see the age of the copy person is 24. So it is not copying the age of this person. Again, calling the copy function here, so it's copy the reference of the address, not the value of the address. So what do you mean by that? If I change the address of Robin, I am changing the house number of Robin, the house number of John also get changed, just because the reference of address are same for both of the class, for both of the object. You can see the house number for the John is also become 3. Thank you.